Hi, my name's Caitlin and this is Emily. So today we're doing an activity based on Emily's learning, and something that she wants to improve on is spatial visualization. So the activity that we're going to be doing today is based on three-dimensional objects as well as two-dimensional shapes. So firstly, spatial intelligence is a big part of this activity. So that is the ability to comprehend three-dimensional objects and two-dimensional shapes. So it also includes visualizing these in your mind, being able to flip them and transition these shapes into 3D objects. In order to do this activity, you'll need to know about these three main aspects of three-dimensional objects, and that is faces, vertices, and edges. So these three things. Will you be able to tell me what you think a face is? Just give it a go.
Face is like, I think like the base of a 3D object maybe? That's exactly right. It's actually the flat side of a 3D object. So if without the actual 3D dimensions, it's just a 2D shape. Cool. The flat side.
What about an edge?
The sides of the shape. Yeah, so an edge is the intersection of two faces of a 3D object. Yeah. So they're basically just the straight lines that connect the 3D object. Cool.
What about a vertice, a vertex?
I don't know, the point of bits? Yeah, the point of bits, exactly right. So it's the point of intersection of the two edges. Two or more actually.
So for this activity, I have created some nets, and these nets are going to be folded into 3D objects. So what I'm going to get you to do is, for each of these, can you please tell me what you think they will create? What 3D object do you think these nets will become?
Just by viewing it?
Just by viewing
Yeah,
it.
cool. Cube is my guess.
Yes, a cube.
Oh my god. Rectangular prism?
Yes, a rectangular prism.
I was gonna say pyramid. Triangular.
No,
The square based. You say triangular? Square based
square based.
pyramid.
Yeah,
Square
square
based
based pyramid. Exactly right.
Is this one the triangular?
Yes, that's the yeah.
Triangular prism? Pyramid?
Pyramid. But we also call these tetrahedron.
Tetrahedron.
Yes. So
We'll remember.
yeah, once we fold them, you can see.
I'm going to say another square-based pyramid. Got that one
Yep.
right for this time.
Yes. and
And-
last one.
Cube.
A cube. Yeah. Okay.
Cool.
So now, what I want you to do for each of those, I want you to fold them at each of the edges.
Yep.
And create a 3D object
Cool. Alright.
to see whether you are correct. Doesn't have to be perfect, but just so you can see what they create.
That is a cube.
A cube. Good. So how many faces do you think it has? Just have a count.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 faces. Good. Try the next one.
Is the tetrahedron.
Yes, tetrahedron.
Alright.
Yeah.
Oh my god! It's a tetrahedron.
Vertices.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes. 4 vertices. Okay, next.
Alright, square-based pyramid. Where's my guess?
You're correct.
Oops. That's terrible. It's alright. Doesn't have to be perfect.
Oh, okay. Come into a bit of a road bump. So you got it?
A bit of a road bump, yes.
Because it ain't going to work.
So I've actually created some nets that do not fold into a 3D object. So just by looking at it, you would have thought that it did, which is the trick with this kind of thing. So that's why it's much simpler if you actually are there folding it.
Yeah. Right, so cube, another one.
Another cube, yeah.
There's a few ways you can do it. Oh my gosh, I'm confused. It's okay.
What have I done?
So another road bump.
Yeah.
This one doesn't make a cube.
No.
its net is just, it's too tricky. It doesn't
Yeah.
work. There are many ways that you can create a cube with its net. So that's what we're going to explore after this.
Cool.
So this one, what is it?
Square-based pyramid.
Yes.
Okay.
Square-based. No, not a
What
square-based
is
pyramid.
it? A rectangular prism. So you did a really good job, but now we're going to focus on the ones that were incorrect. So that was the cube net and the square-based pyramid net. So because we already have some successful nets here, just like these two, I would like for you to draw some nets that will be successful for a cube and a square-based pyramid
Okay.
that do not look like this. So I want them to be successful, but to be drawn differently. These nets can be variously different. They can be really confusing to the eye, but they can be made into 3D objects.
Yeah. Yeah, for sure. Like, I was convinced that this is the same as this,
Yeah,
but
definitely.
clearly not.
Clearly not. Like doing it hands-on, it obviously
Yeah.
helps. Yeah.
And then drawing it as well, I was able to see that there's more than one possible way. It's not like it's just this and not this.
Yeah, exactly
Um,
right.
Yeah,
So
drawing
yeah,
it, yeah.
I hope you enjoyed this activity
I
and
did, it's good.
thank you for participating.
Woo!